Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using LitCommerce app. In this video, we will show you how to list products online from CSV or Google Sheets using LitCommerce's file integration. Whether you want to sell on Shopify, TikTok, or Amazon, this process makes importing and managing your listings faster and easier. Let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure you've created a LitCommerce account. If you haven't yet, head over to the sign up page, fill in your name, email, and password, then click Create Account. You can also use your Google or Facebook account to sign up even faster. Once you're logged in, let's start with step 1. Set up your product file on LitCommerce. Scroll down to the Files section and add your product file. This file acts as your main store where all product information will be imported. You have two upload options: add CSV file or Google Sheets. In this guide, I'll use Google Sheets as an example. Whichever option you choose, configure your import settings. Let's start by entering your store name and file name. Then, you'll see two import options. Select Add New and Update if you want to add new products and update existing ones on your online store. Choose Update Only if you only want to update the products already listed on your store. Next, paste the accessible URL link to your Google Sheets file. If you selected Add CSV file, you'll need to choose between URL download or FTP or SFTP as the import method. After that, either paste your CSV file link or set up the FTP connection. Then, click Test Connection to ensure LitCommerce can access your product data successfully. Once everything looks good, click Next to proceed to the mapping step. Here, you'll need to match the columns in your file with the corresponding product fields in your online store. LitCommerce automatically maps the fields if they match. However, you can freely adjust any mappings as needed. Once finished, click Save, and you have successfully set up your product file on LitCommerce. With your file set up, it's time to connect your online store. From the dashboard, choose the platform you use for your online store and click Connect. For example, I will select TikTok Shop. Then follow the prompt to connect your store. Once finished, you'll be redirected to LitCommerce. And you now can start listing your products to your online store from your file. In this step, I will walk you through two common cases. Case 1. List and update products to your online store. First, go to All Products, then select the products you want to list on your online store. Click Select Action, then choose List Products to Channels. Then, select the platform you want to list your products on. In my case, I will choose TikTok Shop and click Add as Draft Now. Before publishing to your store, you may want to customize your product listings to match each platform's specific requirements. To do this, go to your TikTok Shop tab. Click on the product and edit your product details such as price, category, shipping, and more. Once you've made your edits, select the products again, click Select Action, and choose Publish to TikTok Shop. And that's it. Your products have now been successfully listed from your file to your online store. Now let's move to the second case, updating existing listings on your store using your file. If you've selected Update Only to update your products based on your file, here is what to do. From your TikTok tab in LitCommerce, click Import from TikTok to bring your current listings into LitCommerce. Then, configure the import settings based on your preferences, such as auto-link products by matching SKUs, include deleted items or other available options. Once done, click Begin Import. Once the import is complete, select the products you want to update and click Create to All Products to move them to the All Products tab. After that, any changes in your file will update your TikTok listings, as long as the product IDs in your file match those in your store. Now that your products are successfully listed, let's finish by setting up inventory and price sync. This ensures that your price and inventory on your online store stay up to date with the data in your file. Here's how to set it up. Go to your TikTok Shop channel, click Channel Settings in the top right corner, and you will see syncing options. Turn on Price Sync to automatically update prices on TikTok Shop based on the linked product's price in your file. You can also create price rules to increase or decrease the synced price by a fixed amount or percentage. Moreover, you can also turn on Inventory Sync. This automatically updates stock levels on your TikTok Shop based on your file. Just like price rules, you can apply inventory rules to adjust how much stock is shown on TikTok. You can set a specific percentage of your real stock or set maximum or minimum stock quantity. This limits how much stock is displayed, regardless of actual availability. Finally, click Save Setting to apply your changes. And that's it. You've just learned how to list products online using LitCommerce's file integration. Found this video helpful? Subscribe to our channel for more. And feel free to comment below or contact our support team if you need any help. Thanks for watching and happy selling!